My apologies everyone for not staying up on videos. I ended up with bronchitis really bad and was down for almost a whole month. Anyway, so I am going to get this started, and at the end I'm going to announce the winner of last month's glimmer plate. To go ahead and show you what I got. I'm sorry for the lighting. I need to figure out my lighting situation. But I do know that at some point I'm going to have to make some changes. I've just spread myself way too thin between the podcast and our Facebook page for the podcast and my TikTok videos. I'm just, spread myself way too thin, and I miss crafting. And outside of that, it's a waste of money if I'm going to continue to buy these and not do anything with them. So I need to figure out a schedule. So apologize for that. But this is the glimmer of the month for the month of June. This is Sending Waves, which are 3 hot foil plates and 4 cutting dies. This, I believe, says Sending an Ocean of Thanks. So this will be for the random drawing to give away for, hopefully around the middle of next month. Some ideas of what you can do using the die. This is the large die of the month, Whale in a Bottle, which are 20 cutting dies. This is really cute. I mean, really cute. And it looks like they are using a whale, or you might have some other cutting dies yourself if you win this to use in the water or other fish. Very cute. Keep having to stop and cough. I guess I'm not as completely over the bronchitis as I thought I was. This is the small die of the month, Dancing Octopus and Friends, 12 cutting dies. This says yay and hey. This is the die for the stamp and die of the month, which is What Are You Up To? This is 12 cutting dies, and this is the stamp. There are 15 clear stamps. Really cute theme. I'll cross the ocean for you. Whale, hello there. This is the stitching die of the month, Stitching Shell card front. This is the 3D embossing folder of the month, Scattered Shells. I don't know whether you can see that very well. And lastly, this is the embossing folder of the month, which is Splish Splash. Very pretty. These 2 embossing folders are really pretty. And this is the card kit of the month. It says A Little Hello. And you get your bag that you can, hypothetically get everything back in the bag. And I say that because I'm not very good at getting it back in the bag. Some pretty sequins. Looks like pink and white with a little bit of sparkle. Sorry, I've been out pulling weeds a little bit, so if my fingernails, hope they're not too gross dirty. Some pretty butterflies. Have the pretty little butterfly. There's some card inspirations. Here are some chipboard stickers. look like stamps and some sentiments. Very cute. Of course, your double-sided tape and a little bit of foam, squares, envelopes. Looks like this is textured again for the card bases. And this, it looks like the card stock that you get. Light blue, very dark blue, very pretty navy blue. Some green, looks like 4 of every color. And some pink and some lavender. And this is the paper, butterflies. Looks like it has some plus signs on it. More butterflies. And some more pretty butterflies. This is pretty. It's just black and white. Looks like kind of a peachy plaid. And this has little tiny white specks in there, kind of, in the blue. Another black and white. Another pretty butterflies with navy blue. More butterflies. Another kind of a small print with that peachy color. That's interesting. Reminds me of Neapolitan ice cream in a way, if that would have been chocolate. More butterflies, some pretty stripes, pastels. These are little tiny little butterflies, if you can see those in my terrible lighting. Another tiny print with blue. More butterflies, pink. Oh, that's pretty. That's a really pretty plaid. And these look like banners. They say perfect and beautiful, precious. And some green. I don't know what that's called. They look like squares, but anyway, and then we're back to the beginning. Okay, and here are some more chipboard stickers. Can't really see them very well, but they look like a lot of frames, which will be nice when I get these all arranged out for you so that you can see what all of these embellishments are. I would say that there are a whole lot of butterflies going on here. And again, I'm sorry for the lighting today. I guess when I kind of think about the theme, and maybe it's just me, but there is an awful lot of butterflies and kind of gardeny, pretty flowery things going on here with the card kit of the month, but everything else as far as the stamps don't coordinate. They're all kind of ocean themed, water themed. So I don't know, they kind of don't go together. I guess it gives you a variety of choices so that you have you know, when you're making your cards from scratch, that you have a different theme versus this one. Okay, so that being said, the winner of last month's glimmer plate, which is this one, is at Julie V5233. So Julie, if you can just send me an email, you can find it in the information section, and let me know your address, and hopefully next month I will do a much better job at getting it closer to the 15th of the month.